It's humid, it's hot.
Repairing trucks in 100-degree plus temperatures for most of the summer in this Phoenix, Arizona shop can make a technician lose focus.
Sometimes you feel like you're just in a pool of water all day.
With only traditional fans blowing hot air and not doing much.
So we either have a floor fan or a fan on a pedestal. With those, they only do a certain amount of airflow in that specific location.
Leaders at the largest trucking company in the nation, KnightSwift Transportation, needed a solution to make things more comfortable and to boost productivity. With their large blades and slow speed, high volume, low speed, or HVLS fans were the answer to their problems.
What impressed me the most was the amount of flow that it disperses across the shop.
The technicians felt cooler the minute the fans were turned on for the first time.
We're hoping it's going to actually boost up productivity. That ensures that we're going to process more trucks. That means the driver's going to get back on the road in a timely manner with no concerns.
HVLS fans use their expansive blades and slow speed to move large columns of air that circulate in every direction. This action eliminates humid hot air and replaces it with dry air.
The overall airflow is going to be all the way around them, so it will just stay cool all the time.
HVLS fans can make the feel-like temperature 6 to 8 degrees cooler than the actual temperature of the space they're in.
You have less overexertion, and it definitely makes you a little bit more productive.
HVLS fans are extremely energy efficient and cost just pennies a day to run. Brad Dameron is the electrician who installed the fans.
It's just more efficient. You're running a more efficient fan, you're using less power, lasts longer.
These fans come with a 15-year warranty. Tractor department leader David Covarrubias tells us the old traditional fans cost $150 to $250 each with no warranty.
Normally, we go through about 3 to 4 fans a year on shop floor fans because we use them all the time. So hopefully within a 15-year span, I'm assuming it's just going to benefit us overall.
Swift Transportation partnered with U.S. Energy Recovery for the project. The project in Phoenix is part of a national rollout of HVLS fans for Swift locations across the country. Covarrubias says he was surprised with the efficiency of their team. He thought it would take a week to complete the job, but it was done in just a couple of days.
U.S. Energy is a great company to work with. I feel that they came in, they worked in a timely manner, that they were very respectful and they were on point. They knew what they had to get done and the time that they had to get it into. To be caught off guard, I should say, that they were actually be able to get it done within 2 days was pretty awesome.
2 days for 15 years of comfort in a typically hot, sticky shop is something David recommends.
It's a great investment if you want to be able to take care of your employees and ensure that they're being as efficient and as productive as possible.